Hey, what is up, people? This video I'm going to be showing you guys how I spent $50 on Upwork to buy Connect to apply for jobs and how exactly it went. So first of all, let me go over to my Upwork page, right? You can see Connects history. I bought 300 Connects and 60 Connects on the same day. So you can check the price and it's like 50. How did I do that and what were my results? Well, first of all, let me show you how many jobs I applied for. So I applied to a ton of jobs. Like, let me just show you. I have one active proposal, and I'll tell you how many clients I closed at the end. So make sure to smash the like button. And if you want to join the mentorship program, we're gonna help you get from zero or wherever you're at to your first high-paying client of $500, $1,000, $1,500 in the first 30 days of joining the mentorship program or less, or for your full money back. I actually need the money. I'm just trying to do it to help as many people as possible, right? So if you want to join, the first link in the description, book a call with me and I'll see you on the other side. So, as you can see, this is the amount of jobs I applied for right here. This is just like in the last 5 days, right? I actually slowed down in the last 5 days, but at one point I was applying to like 20 jobs a day. So I actually exhausted almost all the connects, because you can see there were like 30 connects left, right? So for example, let me just show you this, because I was applying to web design, SMMA, web design, Webflow, WordPress, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, just like everything, right? I was applying to basically everything under the sun. So let me just show you example of one of the web design contract and proposals I sent. So just wait for this to load. So this person was based in India and actually get this job. The client budget was $250, so this was a lot lower than what I wanted, but as you can see, this is like the proposal templates I sent. So as you guys can see, I actually tell you what I do. If you watch my previous video, this is the exact template I used. Webflow designer can help you out. So you're looking to bring in a Webflow UI designer, then I sent some UI UX projects I've done in the past. Just like the usual stuff, answering questions. I didn't actually get this job as well. And I'm not going to show you the job I got, and the reason why I can't actually show you that is because, and that's why I can't actually show you my profile. I can only show you my profile picture. If you can search it up, you can search it up. You can just search my profile picture, but I don't want to get my account banned. The person actually paid me outside Upwork, and it was a $2,000 project. So I think I've shown you guys some of the screenshots, right? It was a $2,000 project, and so I spent $50 and I made $2K. Then this one I showed you here as well. This person right here. So this person, this is not the person that actually hired me. This person has a smaller budget of like $300 to $200. But once we get the project going, I might be able to charge like $500 to $1,000. I might be able to charge $500 to $1,000 because that's just how it goes. A lot of people, they lowball the offers. So once you do a meeting with them and show them your value, once you jump on a meeting and show them your value, they might eventually pay you higher. So that's just how it goes. So spend $50, made $2K, and I'll show you the screenshots. So is Upwork still good in 2023? Well, it's actually really good if you're ready to spend a lot of money on Connects and apply to a lot of jobs, right? So the best thing you can do is you can give someone access that you trust, give someone access to your account, and tell them to apply to jobs on your behalf, because doing it yourself is very, very time consuming. Just give them a proposal template and let them go through and send as many job proposals as possible. Just spread a wide net. A lot of people might tell you that they have a budget of $10, but eventually they might hire for like $200, $500. So don't look at the budget, just is the Connects, right? And search up keywords. Let me show you what I mean. I'll try to hide my name here. So once you go to, you can just search up something like Webflow, right? Like I said, all you just need to do is take out this payment verify. You don't even need any other filters except for maybe the amount of proposals. Then if you don't want to work with like people from India, because those guys, so what you can do is just put time zone or client locations, right? For example, you can just put America. You can do that, just put Americas in Europe. So that's all you need, right? You need. So you can use stuff like Webflow, right? You can use stuff like Webflow. You can use, just keep typing those keywords: Webflow, Instagram, media buyer, design, graphic design, web design, whatever, and you see jobs to apply to. So this will make sure you don't run out of jobs. Jobs that were posted in the last like 12 hours, because anything after that, it's most likely they've already gotten someone or they ain't hired. Right, so that's just how it goes. So make sure you guys like the video and subscribe for more content like this. I'm dropping videos every single day of the week from now. So I was making everyday videos for like 6 months, and I took like a 6 month break. So I'm going back to daily uploads, SMMA, web design, freelancer content, how to make money online, how to class rank lines and all of that. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Let's hit 1,000 subs before the end of this month. Catch y'all soon. Peace.